Hey y'all, welcome to Best Dishes with Paula Deen. I'm Bobby, here with my mom today. And today we are putting a Southern twist on everything that we do.
We are gonna take it Southern style today, baby.
Starting with a cheesy applewood bacon mini stuffed potato.
When you see bacon, crisp bacon in Mama's kitchen, you know it's all about Southern style today.
That is the truth. And I've got a few slices of applewood flavored bacon over here. I'm gonna go ahead and chop these up. And while I'm really finely chopping this bacon, Mama, if you will get our 8-ounce package of cream cheese and our sour cream and go ahead and begin to add these together.
Okay.
And then we're gonna put the bacon in, and I'm also gonna grate up some cheese and add to that as well. And this is gonna be the stuffing for these little potatoes that we're doing. These are kind of an appetizer, kind of an hors d'oeuvre, kind of slash twice-baked potato. It's very similar to that.
Yeah, and I'm gonna take that and just mash that in with your onions, son. You know, I've done these before, Bobby, something very similar with a little bitty red, you know, I mean, not much bigger than a marble. And they are wonderful for an appetizer because they're truly just a bite.
Right. I've got this pretty finely chopped up, and I'm gonna save a little bit of this bacon out because in the end of this, we're gonna use this sort of a topping, a little garnish.
All right, now I'm gonna add an 8-ounce carton of sour cream. We've got some cheddar cheese up there and some pepper jack cheese. We're gonna be grating that. I'm gonna go in with the salt and the pepper.
And I'm cutting these potatoes, Mom, and what I'm doing is I'm cutting them in half, but I'm also taking the very end off of them so they'll stand up on the tray.
So they'll sit, yes, because you don't want to chase your potatoes all over a pan.
I hate chasing my potatoes.
I hate it when my potatoes run from me.
Because you know you're gonna catch them, don't you?
I know I'm gonna catch that sapsucker. Now, Bobby's cutting up our 2 pounds of boiled Yukon Gold potatoes. Now, let's move on over here to an ingredient that I just adore. There's not anything in this world better than this.
Roasted garlic, I love it.
Roasted garlic. So this is real simple. Just cut your garlic in 2. Sprinkle it with a little olive oil, and you can even salt and pepper it a little bit if you want to. Wrap it in tin foil and roast it off for about 30 minutes in a 300-degree oven. I'm gonna use 2 teaspoons of that, and it will just squirt right out. All I have to do is squeeze it and drop it into my bowl.
I'm grating a 1/4 cup each of pepper jack cheese and of sharp cheddar cheese.
Your cheddar is gonna give you that cheesy flavor that you want, and that pepper jack's gonna give it that little bitty bite.
Okay.
All right, so we've got our roasted garlic, our yummy, yummy, yummy roasted garlic, and our 2 cheeses. All right, now I'm gonna use a melon baller, and I'm just gonna kind of form a circle in my potato. So you don't wanna dig too deep, y'all, because this is like your little basket. So if you take too much out, you'll destroy your basket.
Is that what it is, a little basket?
It's a little basket. And the meat from the potatoes is going directly into our cream cheese mixture. We're about to the end, son, so why don't you take those potatoes and be mixing those in while I finish scooping. Aren't these pretty, pretty, pretty? Everybody loves a potato.
I know I do. I know I'm my mama's child as far as that's concerned. You can give me some potatoes and sour cream. And
you are sure to please. So what do you think, a piping bag or spoon?
I think just spoon.
All right, let's give this a taste.
You love it?
Bobby, I think it's delicious.
I'm gonna top these with a little bit of this bacon that I've chopped up. They look beautiful.
They look gorgeous, simply gorgeous. Bobby, you know what made these that Michael and I have never done?
What?
Is the roasted garlic. I think this was such a grand idea on you and Jamie's part.
Good call.
Yum.
All right, I'm gonna put these in the oven.
Bobby,
300 for 20 minutes.
I don't know how you're gonna stand to be with me for 30 minutes.
You standing there sucking on that garlic like it's all right. And
I am eating this garlic like a lollipop. Give Mums a kiss.
And when we come back, we're gonna do a southern twist on a hamburger. We're putting a fried green tomato.
Yes. Give Mum a kiss.
Woo.
Give Mum
so
a
y'all
kiss.
stick around.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I'll take a big one, thank you.
And I'll take this one. To you.
To you. Ooh, ooh.
They're hot. Oh man.
Hot and delicious.
That's super. You like it?
Do I like it?
Oh yeah, I forgot.
It's a potato.
Too big black one.
I never met a potato I didn't like. This is yummy.
That's awesome.
Love, Bobby. Love, love, love the garlic in it.